To Chris Farms and Extension Services alias Chris Farm Nigeria. We are into farm setup generally. We are into poultry farm setup, piggery farm setup, fishery farm setup, and snairy farm setup. We do the A to Z of this production. We also sell the equipment, cages, manure scraper, manure dryer, hammer mill, pellets machines. If you talk about fish pond trampoline, we produce according to customer specification. So anything that has to do with this for production, that is what we specialize in doing. Irrespective of where you are in Nigeria, we cover the country and other African countries like the Cote d'Ivoire, Benin Republic, Ghana, Senegal, Mali, Gambia. Irrespective of the country you are, you can reach out to us. We do the A to Z for you. We help you to do the A to Z to make sure that you get the actual desire you want. If you are going into poultry farming, you're going to fishery farming, you're going to snairy or piggery, and you're looking for someone to help you to start from the scratch to the finish, please reach out to our numbers. Our number remains 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, please put our country code +2 3 4 80 36 92 57 18. If you want to go into any type of poultry farm setup or any type of farm setup, and you need to learn one or two things in order to build it yourself, or in order to learn on how to construct these things, why not give us a thumbs up, click on our subscribe button, and follow us in our YouTube channel. We are in all the social networks. All you need to do is to type in Chris Farm Nigeria, then you will see what we do. So follow us today. So we are bringing you to a site on our poultry farm setup. If you have been following us on our YouTube channel, you see how we've started this foundation. Now we are done with the first foundation, and this is the second foundation, and they are 6,000 capacity each. You can see the work is ongoing precisely, and this is a report specifically done for our clients to be at the same page with us. That is to say, when you engage us to do one or two things for you, as we are doing it, we are presenting what we are doing to our client, so that our clients will be at the same page with us. Irrespective of you are in Nigeria or you're in out of Nigeria, you are doing your business, or you are in your offices, or wherever you are, we can also help you. As we are doing this job, we'll be giving you daily updates, either through chats, either through messages, either through calls, either through video calls, either doing this kind of documentary reporting for our clients. So if you are in Nigeria, we will do that for you. If you're outside Nigeria, we will do that for you. If you are busy with one activity or the other, we believe that before this money comes in, you must be engaged, you must be doing something or the other. You must be a businessman, a contractor, an office personnel, or whoever you are. You have the time, you don't have the time, and you want to do something like this. We can help you do the A to Z. Remember, we're in a country whereby you must diversify if you must succeed. Anyone succeeding in Nigeria for this contemporary world, you can never be in a particular business line. If it's just only one business line, it will be difficult for you to succeed. You must diversify. You must do one or two things which is legitimate. I'm not talking of illegitimate. Something must be legitimate. You're doing something good. Probably you are into shipments. You are into this and that. These are ways you can succeed in current Nigeria because of the inflation rate. So we are bringing you specifically today on our site, viewing our daily report. So we are bringing you to site. This is the progression of the job for our clients. We started about a week ago. On this project. This is on a 6,000 capacity, and it's on a 3-roll for poultry battery cage system. And we've been able to get out the pit, the walkway, and the A to Z of it. So let's give you a rundown on how it looks like. Just come with me. So this is now the walkway. No one should enter through the poultry house. This is the first walkway you're going to see. This is the second walkway. This place is the second walkway. Why this is the pit. Before you start construction of your poultry house, you must decide the kind of cage you want. You want the 96 capacity, you want the 120 capacity, 128 capacity, or 160 capacity. All these cages have their own dimensions. So before you even start building, you have already picked up the dimension you want to work with. This is on a 4-tier battery cage system, and the pit it's 2 meters, and we are working without 2 meters in the construction. So the prerequisite of building is knowing the size, capacity, or the size, the length and the breadth of the cage you wish to install in that poultry farm. So you can see this one is on 4 tiers and on 2 meters. That is the dimension. That is why we are having 2 meters here. This is one of the P2 meter walkway. Then this one is 2.5 meter. Reason being that you know you are going to have 2 rows. A row is here, another row is here. There's need for good ventilation. That is why you are having 2.5 meters apart. And this is a walkway, and at the long run we are going to put the pillars here in order to help you in the roofing system. In the roofing system, because of the length of the building, you need a pillars in the middle to help you to do the roofing. So this is the walkway. Why this is another pit. This is another walkway. This is another pit, and that is another walkway. This is on a 3-row, and we are designing it in a format whereby everything will be done in a chronological order. If you need a specialist who is going to help you to do the A to Z, why not reach out to us? Our number remains 080 36 92 57 18. Irrespective of the country you are, we can help you do this kind of building. So you can see how big it is. This is 6,000 capacity. You want to know the length and the breadth, I'm going to give you only the length. If you want to know the breadth, then you meet us so that we'll help you to draw one for you. You know, education is not free. If you feel education is free, you try ignorance and know how costly it becomes. So we are giving you the length and the length. The length is 40 meters on the 4 tiers 3-row battery cage system. That is what we have here. So this is what you have when you engage us to do one. And this other one, we are still working on it. We are not done with it yet. So we can just go to the floor system so that you can see how it looks like. This is the other one, 6,000 capacity, and this is also a video to tell the client that we are done with that one. The pillar, the pillar frame, which is done with 12 mm on 5x5. And this is the second one. We are done with all the pillars. He was asking me if the pillars were done. All the pillars have been fixed. All we need to do now is to raise the block. We also done the blinding. This is called blinding or casting, depending on what you're calling it. So we've done it. All we need to do is to form the block or set the block or form the block in this region. Once we are done with the block work there, we are moving down to this place. So if you want to talk about building generally for poultry and you're looking for someone who can help you do it for you, why not? We are always there 24/7. Each time you chat us up on the WhatsApp, a respondent to respond to you. Our number still remains 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, remember to put our country code +2 3 4 80 36 92 57 18. Even though you are finished building your poultry house and you're looking for someone to help you with the manure scraper, we sell the manure scraper. We also have the manure scraper. We can either sell to you, or if you have bought from some other companies and you're looking for someone to help you install it, we can install it for you. As a specialist, as we are building, we are putting in the right things in there, like the manure scraper. We're going to put it here. Then if it is the manure dryer, we'll make provision for it. But if you are finished building your place and you're looking for someone to help you do it, why not? We can also do for you. So if you have bought your manure scraper, you have bought your manure dryer, you can always reach out to us. We can also help you do that. Like for that of the manure scraper, you see it. You can see how we form the line there for the manure scraper. For the manure dryer, you already have a sockaway pit at the end of the building. So if you have your manure scraper, you are looking for someone to help you install it, why not? You can reach out to us. If you have also bought your cages and you're looking for someone to help you install your cages, you can also reach out to us. Any form of the agro machine, we install all the agro machines for poultry, for fishery, for snaring and piggery. Then if you don't have the machine and looking for someone to help you purchase the machine or sell the machines to you, you can also reach out to us. Please, anything that has to do with this construction and you're looking for someone to help you to do that, why not reach out to me? Or you want to open for a community, it's an innovation, or it's a program, or for these programs you are running for Nigerians to aid poverty, to eradicate poverty, and you are looking for someone to help you handle those such projects, irrespective of where you are, you can also reach out to us. We can, any country you want us to visit for the proposal, for the pitch of that your project, we can also help you do that. Our numbers remain 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, please put our country code +23480 36 92 57 18. Today we have brought you to the site and we see the progression of the job. And what am I going to teach you today? I'm going to teach you the partitioning of your block, of the walkway. Ensure you know the actual size of the cage before you start partitioning. And also, when you are doing this walkway, ensure that the floor system, the walkway is straight, your block is straight, because if it is bent, if you are using a manual scraper, it's not going to work, because it has a fixed size. If it's going through the pathway, if the blocks are bent, the machine will not work. That is why when you are doing this job, it's better you get a professional who is going to help you do that. Please follow us on our YouTube channel. If you are popping in for the first time, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like our video. Probably you have someone that wants to go into such things and you're looking for a specialist to handle it. Why not reach out to us? Always know that your satisfaction is our optimum desire. Thank you once again for choosing Chris Farm Nigeria, and do have a blessed day.